plan only means it literally is a team that is only on that plan. If I were to go look at another plan, those teams that I set up as a plan only team would not be available or visible on that plan. They would need to be set up again. Now, if it's an org team, a little bit different, you can grab it's like the difference between, if you're familiar with the fields in a team managed space versus fields in a company managed space. A plan only team lives only in that plan. It's very siloed.
Real quick, if you're running a 10 to 200 person team and you're trying to set this up by yourself, the hardest part really isn't the configuration. It's getting your team to actually use what you built. After implementing Jira over 200 times myself, that's the pattern that I see every single time. Someone builds it out, the end users end up ignoring it, and 6 months later, you're trying to figure out what went wrong and how to fix it. And the mistake most end up making is that they configure the tool first and hope that the team adapts. We actually do the opposite. We fix the underlying process first and then build Jira around it. That's why it ends up sticking. And if you want to implement Jira so that it actually gets utilized, click the first link in the description.